Hello again, welcome to the feature webcam. In that lecture, we're gonna talk about slot center milling options. So you can see the actually three options here, and actually one of them slot length and x-axis data and maximum step down. We can see the maximum step down here, and we can also see the slot length here. This is my slot length according to my actually x theta degree. We can turn to maybe and the y-axis or and x-axis is not important. So when we turn here, we're gonna see our structure about our program. This is also can be seen in your SwanSoft software. So you can also need to be careful about your x, y, and z-axis position. So this is gonna be my x, y, and z-axis position. At that point, we're gonna start our program. So we're gonna reach at that point. So this is coming from actually x length and distance. You can also need to be careful about your x theta degree. And thank you very much.